Hi and welcome to Website Header Wizard video tutorials. I'm David Watson and today I'm going to be taking you through the image grabber wizard and showing you how you can select a portion of any of the images you have to create a background to your website headers. Now, we talked previously about selecting the size for the header that you want to create, and we've talked about using the image library to select one of our professionally designed header backgrounds and use that as the background. But today I'm going to be talking about the image grabber wizard and how you can use that to select a portion of any image to use as the background for your website headers. So we click on image grabber wizard and we can browse our computer and find an image that we want. I'm going to use this particular one here. If the size of the image was suitable to completely fill the header, then the automatic resize button would have been enabled and you'd be able to press that and it would have filled the image completely with that. But because this is a slightly different size to the background of the size of header that we're creating, then I select manual selection and I can now go in and tell it which particular element of the image I want to use for my background. Now this is great because that actually means you can create more than one background header from a single image. So say for instance I wanted that area there, I just highlight it, I click and it puts that area as the background for my header. Now I can go back to the same image again and I can select a different area and create a different background header image. And go back again. Maybe I wanted a desert as the background. So I can just keep going back, I can choose whatever I want. Once I'm happy with the selection that I've got, then I just click and it takes it back for me. Now say I wanted a larger area of this image, then all I have to do, notice down here we have a slider area. Now I just use the arrow keys to increase that slider and make the rectangle showing on the image larger. Now notice as the rectangle increases, the image at the bottom of the screen changes to reflect whatever's inside the selection rectangle. And this then means that I can make different selections. So here I've got one image that is the complete picture of Monument Valley. But if I use the slider keys, just using the arrow keys, I've reduced the size of the image and now I've got just a small selection of some of the stuff in Monument Valley. So I can resize at will just using the left and right arrow keys to increase the size of our rectangle. I can position it wherever I like, and once I'm happy, then all I have to do is hit the mouse button and that selects that for me. So say I wanted that as my header image, then I just click the mouse button and there we are, we have it back in as our background. So as you can see, it's very simple to select from within any image and choose what you want to use as the background for your header. Okay, that's everything about image grabber wizard. We'll come back on the next video and talk more about putting text on your images.